What up, what up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. So today I got a couple slabs of baked back ribs. I'm gonna do them two different ways. 4 slabs. So 2 of them I'm gonna do it my regular way with my favorite, barbecue sauce and all that good stuff. Then the other 2 I'm gonna do them with that BLOVE'S yum sauce. Pour it over top. I heard this sauce been going good on a lot of different things, so I'm gonna try it out on some baked back ribs. Pretty sure I'm not the first, but so I'm gonna see if I can get some injections inside the ribs. Oh, just a couple. So I'm gonna come over here in this bone like so. Get a couple in there, it's okay. Just to get a little of that flavor through there. We want a bit of taste. I'm also gonna post some over top of it, but I want to get it through the meat a little bit. And that's another reason I'm leaving the membrane on. Sorry, I need to grab this one and stick it back in there again. Then all of it will be ruined. That's about all I'm gonna need. So I'm come and hit a couple of the spots. And then another reason I'm making so many, got this collaboration coming up. Got a little surprise for you guys that I'm supposed to link up with, that I found out was here local in the same town. So I asked them to do a collaboration. Yeah, so we're gonna cook it up on the Southern Smoke Boss, and then you'll see the mukbang on the Awesome Awesomes. So what I'm gonna come and do, I'm gonna hit it with some of this sauce. Yeah, this is BLOVE'S Smackalicious Yum sauce. Finger licking, sucking good, as she say. So I'm just gonna come in. That's, garlic and stuff. Just gonna pull some of this over there, let it sit overnight. And then tomorrow I'm gonna base it on there. Should have nice, plenty flavor, is what I'm thinking. But we'll be sure to let you guys know how it turned out. I know this go cake up on there and get nice and hard, so it'll give it that nice crisp skin. Okay, let's slide these over to the side. We just go cover it. We're gonna let these sit in the fridge overnight. Okay, so I'm just cover them up, let them sit in the fridge overnight. We'll throw them on tomorrow. And we'll see how they turn out. Have some nice special guests over to let you guys know, hey, how I'm doing in the backyard barbecue. Got that nice smoke going with pecan wood. First up, we have my favorite go-to sauce. Come on, place that in there. Next up, we have the BLOVE'S yum sauce. Okay, so go ahead. What up, also spend about an hour. We'll come on out here and flip the come on out here and flip them over. So I don't have my spray bottle today, so I'm gonna come out here and base them with a little vinegar, with a little, just a tad bit of barbecue sauce in there, just to keep it from drying out. But it's mostly vinegar. Sorry if I hit you, but yeah, it's mostly vinegar. Just wanna base them up, and then these them be Bloves. They got plenty of butter on them, so I don't think they need no basing. That's why I put them kind of on the far end too, as you can see. But it look pretty nice though. Nice grill marks on them. Okay. We'll come back and check shortly. Yeah. Love. Yeah. Bloves life sauce. On these. Go ahead. Wrap it up. We dipping these in that Bloves yum yum sauce, as she say. Finger looking good. I'm gonna knock you out. That's my mini meat right there. Gotta cut it out, man. You gotta make me do it. So these right here, we go joint cut it out. Put that good on them. That southern smoke on them. You know? What y'all know about that right there? I was afraid to drop though. Man, baby, we need to go to DC and get them crab meat. Well, ready to go ahead and pull them out, baby. Let's go. Woo! Where my hands are like Bloves. Yeah, hey, make sure y'all go check out the Journey of the Jones. Hey, I'm telling you, they bringing the heat.
So if y'all want to see more, let us know. Like this video, they will be back whether you want to see it or not.
Whether you want to see us or not, we ain't.
We'll be back.
Thank you for watching. Peace.
Peace.